With LNG shipments through the Strait of Hormuz returning to normal after the ceasefire in Middle East, the center has decided to roll back emergency restrictions imposed on natural gas supplies. The Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas issued a notification on July 4th withdrawing key provisions of the Natural Gas Supply Regulation Order 2026. These provisions had allowed the government to prioritize the allocation of domestic gas and imported LNG during the supply crisis. The emergency order was brought in on March 9th under the Essential Commodities Act after disruptions in LNG cargo movement through the Strait of Hormuz raised concerns over India's energy security. The ministry said shipping through the strait has resumed, the ceasefire remains in place and negotiations are underway. It said the supply situation has stabilized. This also marks the rollback of the final emergency measure introduced after the conflict in West Asia disrupted energy supplies. Earlier, the government had already withdrawn restrictions related to LPG production and diesel sales. India imports nearly 88% of its crude oil and about 50% of its natural gas. Around 65% of the country's LNG imports passes through the Strait of Hormuz, making it a critical route for India's energy needs.